Welcome back, guys. I have to refilm my intro because it's Vlogmas Day 11, and in the beginning I thought that it was Vlogmas Day 10. So let's get back into me this morning when I'm unboxing what I'm gonna be using for today's video. And reporting today with Amazon unboxing with what we're gonna be needing for today's video. And I'm so excited because this is something that I feel like a lot of people should do when seasons change periodically, because when you're getting rid of, or not getting rid, but when you're making space, you're making room for new things by letting go of other things that no longer serve you, things that you're not really, you know, using. I have to open this after for you guys because what we're using in the video today is this, and everything's gonna be linked down below in the description box on my storefront. I already have organized my bathing suits and I'll show you guys that later. I'm just doing the unboxing right now before I start getting ready and eating breakfast. This one is a little bit different and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna use this for like, how many pieces is it in? I forgot. 6 packs. So I'm gonna use this for my sports, my workout sets and things like that. These look like 4x4s. My lashes and this Tragos game that I've been wanting for such a long time. And the Tragos game is a Spanish like drinking game with like different things. Whoa. But the lashes, since my hair is red, I decided to do like a little pop of red in my lashes. If you guys remember, like 2 years ago I did purple and it was like a whole bunch of like purple lashes, but like in the inner part of my eye, not the outer layer. And these are really cute, and I'm glad it's not that many lashes because I was like, what am I gonna do with so many red lashes, because I'm not doing a full set. I'll show you guys in that video when I'm you know, getting ready for my trip. Yeah, and it has different sizes, so I'm just gonna be cutting them and then gluing them together. I do that all the time. And then the Tragos game. And these are the lashes. And I'm so excited to throw on those nails, guys, so don't mind my nails right now. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later because I'm gonna start getting ready and I'm gonna eat so that I can come back and actually start putting things in their place. Hopefully I have enough things because my jeans and the stuff in my closet, and I was gonna try to move my workout sets into the closet as well, but this is mainly for like my jeans and my pants. And I got 6 pieces and this is what it looks like. And like when I get a bigger closet, I can use the hanger. Well, this is more like for like having the access to pull it, but you could hang it too. I can fit probably like 2 jeans, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I could fit about 12 jeans in here, and I have a lot of jeans and pants. Okay, so that one didn't come with inserts like the other one, so I guess it makes sense. So like you can have more like a stretchy room. And then this one is for like, these are like clear containers. I have to organize my desk. It looks crazy in there, but that's gonna be another video because this is a whole project. I'm trying to fix my desk. I'm trying to clean under, you know, declutter the drawers, things that I don't use anymore, things that are empty jars, you know. And I like to recycle, so some of those jars I'm gonna be using to put like my flaxseed gel, to take it out of the fridge already. So let me just show you guys, which I said we're gonna do in another video, but just so that you guys can see what I've been purchasing on Amazon. At first it was my parents. It was shopping on Amazon. It was like a new package every day. But yeah, it has like this size, and now it's me. These mini ones. It has a few, and then at the bottom it has like these like so. The thing about these videos is that it's gonna show you pretty much how things look after you're done organizing it. And these are the bathing suit things I was talking about earlier this morning. And I do have like an underwear one under it, and just like a whole bunch of random clothes everywhere. And this is where this has like miscellaneous things and Savage Fenty, and also my workout sets are mostly in here, but my grandma will be going through the drawers, so that's why it looks like that. And then I'll show you my closet so you can see the difference, because she doesn't really go into my closet. But I'm gonna start with the drawers first. Yeah, I can see my Tinkerbell wings back there, because the closet is organized a little bit, but you see I have like 1,000 jeans and pants, and that's what I'm gonna put use those other ones for. And then eventually I'm gonna be getting rid of some of this clothes. I try my hardest, guys. I'm not even kidding. Like back here I have like black dresses, so we're not really organizing this right here. It's mostly like the things on top, and all my shoes and stuff is down here. I have some purses that are hanging, that are no longer hanging because of the boxes. I have a surprise Savage X package here that I'm waiting to do a big haul for you guys, so stay tuned for that video. I'm ready to wash this hair, guys. I actually have to do that sometime this week because I have to get ready. So we're gonna start off with the workout sets, and I do have some that are like dirty, so this is not all of my outfits. So let's start the show. This is what I have so far. I did some of the leggings that I have, and like a few shorts. I used to have a pair of shorts and I don't know where it went. Don't mind my loud family in the background. And then I started with these two funky color leggings by themselves, and then I'm gonna do like the sets together. I might need to buy more of these, and I was thinking about that too. I don't know, these people keep yelling. So I'm gonna go with the Savage sets next, which I have a few more that I have to add to this too. That's what I said, I'm gonna have to buy more of these organizers, but I like how they look. It just depends on how it's gonna fit everything. Well, it just depends how everything's gonna fit in here. Because this, like, Akafu didn't have. But yeah, I was gonna do this as another chit chat video. I went earlier today. When I told you guys I'll be back, I went to the dealership because your girl's trying to see her options for like a new car. So I might have to go back and see some other dealerships, and maybe I'll find my dream car or my new car, you know? Trying to get things off the vision board. I'm gonna do the orange one next because this is orange here. I'm gonna do the pink. Next, I'm gonna add the green Fenty set one, the Savage X Fenty Sport set. organizer, I guess, or section. But yeah, see how like it's just easy to grab too. It's just like, oh, okay, I know I'm gonna grab this one, I'm gonna wear this one, instead of having it like laid out flat how I had it. And I can see all my stuff better. Probably, can you guys see? So quick update on the drawers, guys. I was only able to fit it like this because I guess the drawer is smaller, so I would need like something a little bit thinner than this to be able to fit stuff organized right here. I did put this one in there because it didn't fit, and just for now, since it did have a little bit of space, however though, I'm gonna just throw the socks in here. And then as far as the bottom, this one didn't fit, and then I'm putting this here because my underwears are under it and I don't want to show you guys. And like my Savage, this is all like my Savage stuff, because some are missing because they are in the wash. So, and then I also have some space over here as well, so we gotta do something about that. I'm gonna take a break, gonna go eat something, and then I'll get back to you guys when I start doing organizing in the closet and just put some socks in there. It is helping me declutter because I had like just a lot of things in there that were just like things I wasn't using, but just like since I can't see it, it makes it harder for me to remember that I have it, even though I know it's there. But look at my hair, oh my gosh, I just can't wait to touch up this color and look back to normal, do my lashes and stuff for you guys, with you guys actually. So I'll be right back, and let me go upload this video. Okay, so I got a little more comfortable because I was hot in that t-shirt, and I'm about to start using these organizers that I showed you guys this morning. And I kept saying Vlogmas Day 10, one, because I fell asleep so late last night, or this morning at like 5, doing the nails. And I did post that video. You haven't go ahead and check. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. But I'm about to go get my jeans and start with like the black ones and start putting them in here. And I have a total of 6 of these, so let's see how much I can fit. I do have some jeans though that are like bigger than the others, so let's hope that they do fit. Okay, so I wanted to record with this tripod with you guys most of the video, but I'm still getting the gist of it, so I just wanted you guys to enjoy this clip. Let me know what you think. Kind of sucks to start over. I should have started from, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it over so I could add some like maybe my black shorts in there. I do have some other pants that I have to go tailor. Like I'm telling you guys, I just have so much clothes. Sometimes I don't even know what to do with it. And I feel like as much as I take some clothes out to give it away, like some clothes always comes back, which is good. But let me stop talking to you guys and let me get to work, and I'll get back to you guys. I'll show you guys an update when I've done at least 3 of them. Okay, so I just finished with the black denim. Right now I'm gonna do like I have to probably revise and redo this because I have clothes that's gonna have to, you know, take the place of the ones that are already there, just because I like to have my things color coordinated and as they should be. Okay, so right now I'm on number 3, halfway through, and it's 8:32. I think I'm going good. I'm doing good with timing, even though I had kind of like a long break in between. I'm gonna use this one for like shorts and skirts, and then I'm gonna do the pants, and then like 2-piece sets, and then probably just like miscellaneous things, whatever's missing. I'll just use the extra ones for extra clothes that I need to do. But I'm gonna have to probably buy more. I just need a bigger closet, right? Okay. So all I have left right now is my t-shirts. I'll show you guys what it looks like up there. I might I don't know what to do, because I have like scrubs and they might fit. So I might be moving some things to make space for the scrubs, because that might be the only thing that's lingering right now besides everything else that I'm missing. But yeah, pretty much I'm just gonna put all like my gym t-shirts in here, again for like easy access, because sometimes they do tend to fall off the tower. So this is what the closet looks like after, and I honestly think it gives me more space to look at my things, and honestly it might change the layout, like might lay them horizontally, right? And yeah guys, so the two-piece sets are pretty much there. My scrubs, I try to squeeze them in, shorts and skirts, pants, and I have some robes there, and then my jeans, light color, dark wash, black, and then all my gym shirts there and like color coordinated. And this is just the closet on its own that has already been color coordinated. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm honestly so super tired, guys. I'm gonna get ready for bed. I'll talk to you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, shop my storefront, and let me know which is your favorite organizer. Is it the one up here? Is it the one in the drawers? I do have to get a few more, like I said, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.